In this video, we'll explore the fascinating journey of how coconut oil is produced. From its humble beginnings as a simple coconut, this versatile oil plays a significant role in both culinary and beauty applications. We'll dive into the various methods of extraction, including cold pressing and refining, and discuss the benefits and uses of each type. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this tropical treasure. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of coconut oil. Known for its versatility, coconut oil has gained popularity not only in the kitchen, but also in personal care routines. Its unique composition makes it a favorite for both cooking and skincare. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which are fatty acids that can provide quick energy. It's also celebrated for its antimicrobial properties, making it a natural choice for oral hygiene. In skincare, it acts as a moisturizer and may help improve skin elasticity. Whether you're using it to sauté vegetables or as a conditioner for your hair, coconut oil is a staple that offers numerous benefits. Stay tuned as we explore more about this amazing oil and how you can incorporate it into your daily life.